Okay, so you're starting a cleaning business and you are brand new, you don't know what you're doing. I'm gonna show you how to be profitable with this cleaning business inside the first 30 days. And the reason why I'm the perfect person to tell you about this is because I've built and scaled 2 successful cleaning businesses, and my second cleaning business, my wife and I started, and we didn't really have much to our name, and we were in a completely different state, but we pulled it off, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we did, give you a few tools actually that you can use because I want you profitable and I want you excited about it. So if you're ready to go, let's jump into it. I'm Mike Mack. For those of you who don't know, I have, I'm just like a guy on the internet telling people how to grow their successful cleaning businesses. That's it. I'm also the founder of automatedcleaningbusiness.com. So not too many edits on this video because I like talking to people who don't need a screen flashing every 3 seconds. It's okay if you do. I don't discriminate. I'm just saying. Anyway, brass tacks, this business. So for my wife and I, when we started, we moved to a different state. We were actually coming from New York City to Connecticut. Our first cleaning business was a franchise. And the second cleaning business, it was almost an accident. It was almost like, I was really frustrated with my 9 to 5. I had tried to make a bunch of online businesses work after I sold my first cleaning company. I was like, okay, I really want sexy money. I want to wear a suit every day. I don't want to be the cleaning business guy forever. And, my wife and I also, while we were trying to get these online businesses off the ground, I was coming to this realization that where I was, it was just going to be harder and harder to buy a bigger house and more land. So we decided to move to Connecticut. And, upon going there, I was still working my 9 to 5 in New York. So I had quite the commute every day, back and forth, back and forth. And over time, that wore on me a bit. And my frustrations of not getting my online businesses off the ground. And I'm at the 9 to 5. So I had like all of this war going on. And then ultimately, I decided to quit my job on a whim. And then I went back. I had to break the news to my wife. But my wife, being the most supportive person in the world, she said, yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to show you the game plan here for what we did, because I was really working with my final paycheck. We didn't have much in savings, and we had rent. We had rent that needed so rent that needed to get paid. So once we were all in on the cleaning business, we got down to grassroots, right? Because we knew ultimately if we approach the game like everyone else, meaning cold calling, door knocking, all these things that people think it's a novel idea, it's actually very silly, because you can get clients that way, but you're not going to get the right clients, and chances are you're not going to get them to pay you what you ought to be paid. So, well, what do we do? I mean, I had marketing experience. My wife has sales experience. So we were like, maybe we can run ads, but it's like we didn't have the budget for ads. After all the deliberation, we were like, okay, why don't we work the people we already know? I mean, it's the fastest way to money, because people tend to want to work with people they know, like, and trust. So the problem was we didn't know a ton of people, but we did know a few people. And this is the first thing I want you to write down, right? Even if you're brand new, I promise you, people, you're able to connect with people who are going to be very close to the clients, right? Like there are people, whether you know it or not, same thing with us, that can get you right to the money, all right? So what we did, we started thinking, okay, who do we know here so far? They don't have to be best friends, but who do we know? We started thinking about we leased a car not that long ago. We leased a Subaru. It's like, oh, the sales guy, Alan, he was a nice guy. I wonder if we take it in for service, we can start blah, 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 blah. And same thing with the chiropractor. I was going to physical therapy at the time. My wife is she frequently got a massage. And this is how we started planting seeds. But again, it was all in the approach. It wasn't like, oh, you just pass out business cards. That's a novel idea. No. Because if you do that, that misses the mark too. Remember, know, like, and trust. And this is important. I really want you to think about this. In your network, you have the ability to make quick connections. And the best way to do that is straight out of How to Win Friends and Influence People. Go have good quality conversations. Ask these people about themselves. And that's what we were doing. And little by little, we were uncovering brand new leads. And those leads were converting into customers. And now, this was our first 30 days, and we absolutely needed money bad, right? But we also knew if we approach it the wrong way, it's not going to work. You're going to be in hustle mode forever. And that's what I see a lot of people teaching, hustle mode. And it makes me think, I'm like, have you actually done this to yourself? Have you actually done this yourself? Because it just always tends to bring in the worst clients. Now, commercial clients, because that's what this channel is all about, commercial only, not about house cleaning. Commercial clients, it's all about relationships. And so to get into with this mode and you have that, develop that know, like, and trust, and you develop leads based on that know, like, and trust, you're going to develop great customers. And that's what we were able to do. There are a few other methods, which I'll talk about in future videos, but this is something that you can do for free. And now, it doesn't mean like, if you could be absolutely broke and you can pull this off. Like, you kind of can, but you do have to know what you're doing. Because it's not like it takes a lot of money, but it does, you will have to, take someone out for coffee here and there. But it's powerful. You have people you're connected with. And to make it really simple, I want you to think about it like this. Maybe you don't have a friend that has an office, but you may have a friend that has a friend who has an office. Or at the third tier of that, and I teach this all the time in my program, and people are able to get customers relatively quick just using this method. And there's a bit more to it than that, but I really want you to I want to uncover this idea because it's very simple. You can, you can think about it like, okay, who have I done business with? Like, who am I a customer to? Okay, well, if I start conversations with these people and start showing, genuine interest in them, they're going to show interest in me. And they're going to ask what I'm doing, and I'm going to tell them what I do, and they're going to hear the passion behind, I'm just really looking to build I really want to build a strong commercial cleaning business in this. I want to service medical, or I really want to focus on car dealerships. I really want to focus on churches. It's so important for me and my faith, right? Whatever your angle is, you can really target that angle, and then when they hear the passion, well, again, that's where you start developing that know, like, and trust. All right. From there, the best thing you could do is ask for a warm email. Hey, would you mind giving me a warm email introduction just so I could, you know what? I can put you in touch with so-and-so. It's as simple as that. It gets you in the door. Then when you have that conversation, get yourself a walkthrough and land that customer. Look, the quality of your marketing is going to determine the quality of your customers. The quality of your customers is going to determine the quality of your peace of mind and your bank account. So take this very seriously. And as far as what to do next, it's very important that you keep it you keep it 100% low stress. Like, you have to give off this energy of like, working with us is super simple. Yeah, like, let's say you have the conversation and then it's like, okay, let's jump on a phone call. You jump on a phone call, 5-minute call. Yeah, just figure out what they're doing now, how many days a week, and then, all right, let's meet up in person. Yeah, it'll take about 20 minutes. I'm just going to walk through the space just so I have a good understanding of, what we actually need. And then I'll put something custom together and I'll send it over. It's that simple. There's no excuses. Especially with a video like this. Hit that like button, by the way, if you're a real one, you're watching this, and drop a comment below, right? Just comment simple. There is no reason why you can't land 1 to 3 customers doing it like this. If my wife and I could do it in a brand new state where we really didn't know anybody like that, nobody was our friend when we got here, and we were able to pull customers in the first 30 days, there's no reason why you can't do the same, all right? So if you like this and you want to go further, I show you how to do all this in my program. My team and I help you do most of it. We write all your marketing for you, so you don't even got to think about this type of stuff. And we help you get these customers, price them, hire cleaners, and automate. That's what we do. If that sounds interesting, click the first link in the description. But if you're like, no, I need more YouTube University, Mike, I appreciate it, but that's fine. I'll see you over there. Peace out, Cub Scouts.